No New Year's Day to celebrate. No chocolate covered candy hearts to give away. No first of spring, no song to sing. In fact, here's just another ordinary day. No flowers bloom, no wedding Saturday within the month of June. But what it is something true, made up of these three words that I must say to you. I just called to say I love you. I just called to say how much I care.
Papa bikin nasi goreng kayak
I just called to say I love you. And I mean it from the bottom of my heart. I just called to say I love you. I just called to say how much I care. I just called to say I love you. And I mean it from
Aku udah masak makanan kesukaan kamu.